Hey everybody, this is KrypticNexus, also known as Anthony, and today we have Dyconn Speedster Hybrid Card. PCIe card speed up PC performance, 7 gig or higher SATA, mSATA required, not included, SATA connector for SSD. Alright. So let's see what's inside this thing. On the photo, you can see we have a SATA connector, a power connector, and an additional SATA connector. There's our PCIe 1X slot. There's the side. Here is the back. There we go. And yep, it has this side shows an mSATA, so let's open her up. Alright. So we have some nice foam. It's actually really nice foam. Need about 10,000 more sheets of that and cover my walls for sound dampening. Anyways, we have a pamphlet. Tells you where to put the SD card. Christ. Oh. I think this might be used for caching a hard drive. Hold on. Well, I want the middle page. Yeah, this looks like right there. Configure SSD as HDD cache. That is awesome. If you can choose any hard drive you want to cache, like get a 32 gig SSD and slap in there, or an mSATA and another SSD, make a RAID array, and then hook up your game storage drive to this as caching, that would be kick-ass. Alright, here is the card. We got some screws. Whoop, just throw it, hold on. Vias freaking everywhere. But there's our PCI connection. You can almost see where all the traces go into some vias. Anyways, so there is our SATA power. No SATA connection there. We have a SATA connection here, and then on the bottom we have our mSATA connection along with an Atmel as media. Yep, as media ASM 1961 or something like that. I can't read it. So again, as media chip there. Opto amp or amp, I don't know. We got an LED. This is revision 0.01. PCIe 2 SATA 2 X2 V1. Oh Jesus! I'm reading and you're out of focus. We got one LED on this side. Do we have any other? Nope. We got resistors and stuff, and another LED here. So I'm going to guess that's for power, not power, but accessing. So this will be cool. I want to say I have a spare mSATA, but I think I got rid of my spare SSD. So we will be doing some mSATA testing. Alright, so I have my Dyconn PCIe SATA board, and I have an mSATA 16 gig SanDisk SSD installed, and I'm not going to connect the power. I'm just going to see if it will work off of the pin power, and I'm going to put it into my Mac. Why? Because this is a 2006 Mac Pro, so it's quite old. So it'd be nice to have this in there. Anyways, I'm going to get it installed, and we'll switch over to Capture on the computer after it's installed to see if it works. Anyways, see you in a second. One quick shot. There you go. It's installed. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a read test on the 16 gig SSD and compare it to my main SSD in my rig. So that's abysmal. Oh wow, 51. And okay, so we're just going to say writes are 51 and reads are 151. So if we switch that to my main SSD in my rig here, so we'll go here, there, choose start, and yeah, 240. And again, I know it's not Diconn's board that is causing the issues. It is the SSD I have in it. It's a low quality SSD. It comes from a Chromebook, so don't expect anything massive from it. That is for sure. I was hoping for better than 50 meg write, but whatever. So, to do a test, we will be writing, since it's only 50 meg write, we'll write from my WD Black 1 terabyte to the 16 terabyte drive. So this is my Steam library. So it says it's going to take 4 minutes. So I'll put the time up on the screen when it's done, how long it actually took. And as you can see, it's writing, not a lot. It's 53, 35, 102. So it's definitely hitting, its max writes at 50, almost 60 writes per second. Or 60 megs per second. And we're done. Okay, so now we are going to read from this drive to my main SSD. And as you can see, we're hitting 160 reads per megs per second on the read. There's 169, 173, 342. Now we're done. So now I'm going to write that back to this SSD, and we'll see how long it takes. So my main SSD is really saturating the secondary SSD for sure. Alright, and we're done. So, my conclusion on this SSD is it sucks. But my conclusion on the Dyconn Hybridcard is actually really awesome, I think. Especially for PCs. For Macs, they're alright. I mean, I can't say anything against it. It does work. But what I will say is, if you have a better SSD, it will be a lot better, for sure. The If I had a spare SSD to slap on the top of it, I would, but sadly, I don't, so this is why I did this test. I mean, it's nothing exciting, it's just what I have available to me to do this test. I want to thank you all for watching, and like the video if you liked it, dislike the video if you disliked it, just hit the like button, it's easier. And if you really liked it, subscribe. I do this 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Yeah, I'm Anthony, also known as KrypticNexus. You are you, and you stay you. I don't know. I'm being dumb, because I can't think of my outro. That's right. You'll see me in the next one. Bye! I just wanted to add at the end of the video, I did get this product at a discount from the seller for an honest and unbiased review. Thanks for watching. Bye!